Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics you don't need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you guys having Chevy Tahoe or Suburban, that generation from year 2006 to year 2014. If you guys have problems where the gauges do not work or you need to find which fuses control the gauges, it's 3 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. We will explain where to find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have a Chevy Tahoe or Suburban, practically they're built on the same platform. We'll be making a video about every single fuse relay in that SUV. Why? Because let's say you're down the road, you need to find where the fuse for fuel injectors, fuel pump, ignition coils is located. That way you can fix your SUV and be back on the road. We will have that information. You'll just spend a minute or two watching the video, fix it, and it will take care of that problem. Now, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to do engines, transmissions, mechanical, body work, and we have more than 12,000 free repairs on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. In addition guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So the gauges fuse guys, where it's located, okay, 3 fuses will need to be checked. Excuse me, we will demonstrate on this 2010 model Chevy Tahoe. Suburban will be the same way, they're built on the same platform. You have 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV, today we work in 2. First, we need to open the driver door. Once you do that, on the side of the dash you have that cover that you will need to just remove. Once you do that, underneath you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So now, why it's super important guys to test fuses and relays? Because often you may think you have a good fuse, right? But it could be guys a bad fuse. Sometimes it's really hard to tell, it's hard to see. You have different kinds of fuses, and each one of those guys, let's say you think it's a good fuse but it's actually bad, you may end up spending time, money on parts and repairs that you don't need. So always test fuses. It takes only a few seconds. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and how to test relays as well. Relays are easy to test, that way you can eliminate that possibility for something that's not necessary guys. So check out the links, will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, we'll need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. The first fuse that we need to check is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fuse number 7 guys, right here is the first fuse that you need to check. Then you go to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2. 22 is the second one that you need to check right here. Then you need to pop the hood open on your Chevy Tahoe or Suburban, facing the engine on the right side. You have a fuse box right here. Go ahead, open it, and you will find the main, okay, engine fuse box layout. This is the front of the SUV, windshield side, that's passenger side, driver side. Here, if we zoom in a little bit, you're going to see that this fuse right here, 46, that's the 3rd fuse that we need to check for the gauges guys, right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.